All right, so I'm solving for x again. So what I want to end up with here is x equals some number. So what do I need to get rid of here to be left with x equals a number? I need to get rid of 3 in front of this x, and I need to get rid of that minus 6 as well. Okay, so I need to get rid of the minus 6, I need to get rid of the coefficient on the x, the 3 in front of the x. The easier one to get rid of first will be the 6, or the minus 6, okay? So get rid of this before you get rid of the number in front of the x. The number in front of the x will be the last thing you get rid of when you're solving these. So how do I get rid of a minus 6? What's the opposite of taking 6 away? What will I do to the left-hand side to get rid of that minus 6? I will add 6. If I add 6 to the left-hand side, I need to do the same thing to the right-hand side. On the left-hand side then, minus 6 plus 6 is 0. That's why we do this, to get rid of that minus 6. So now, what am I left with? 3x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, 15 plus 6 is 21. So 3x is equal to 21. 3 multiplied by something is 21. One of these ones where maybe the answer is screaming out at people, but let's just go through the step. So x multiplied by 3 is 21. So I want to get rid of that multiplied by 3. So to get rid of a multiplied by 3, you divide by 3. If you divide the left-hand side by 3, you need to do the same thing to the right-hand side. So on the left-hand side, those 3's cancel, and you're just left with x. And on the right-hand side, 21 divided by 3 is 7. And there's your answer. Similar example then, 2x plus 9 is equal to 25. So again, I want to just get x equals some number. So I need to get rid of this 2, and I need to get rid of this plus 9. The first thing I will eliminate or get rid of is the plus 9. So get rid of that before getting rid of the 2 in front of the x. So to get rid of that plus 9, I'm going to take 9 away. If I take 9 away from the left-hand side, I need to do the same thing to the right-hand side. On the left-hand side then, I have 9, take away 9, which is 0. So I've just got 2x left on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, 25, take away 9 is 16. So x multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. So I'm going to get rid of or eliminate that multiplied by 2 by dividing by 2. If I divide the left-hand side by 2, I need to do the same thing to the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, 2 divided by 2 cancels, so you're just left with x. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. And there's the answer for that one.